This is how I know it's time to go outside. Yes, same day as the last video that you guys saw. So it's the same afternoon and Piddles is very hyper, so either mommy bird is here to feed her or she is going to fly off into the sunset. So let me just get her up quickly. Are you ready to fly? Are you gonna do it? She's going to wait for mommy bird. That's an airplane, Piddles. Come on. Don't smack me, I'm helping you. Whoops. Is today the day? It's a good day to fly today, it's Halloween. Hi. Is mother bird here? Okay, I can't see her from up there, but she is up there. There we go. Oh. Is today the day? Oh, so close. How are you stretching your wing? Backwards. 1, 2. Okay, guess not. Go on, you can do it. Oh! It was a very good try. Yes, Mother Bird would be proud. She made it! So literally as I'm editing, guess what happened? Piddles came back to the yard. Literally only recording this to get a thumbnail. If she flies off now, I'm going to add Panic at the Disco's This Is Gospel here.
If you love me, let me go.
Hey, mommy. Come on, you can do it.